of computer. We all know computer is an electronic device and it helps us to complete so many tasks around us. In this video, we will learn about different places and the uses of computer in that place, such as bank, hospital, school, library and so on. So let's start and learn the uses of computer at different areas.
Uses of computer technology. Today, many types of computer are used in our everyday life. In most part of the world, it's impossible to use a product or service that does not utilize a computer. Below are some examples of the industries, area, and different field using computer. Bank and finance. Computer play a significant role in handling all the world's money. Below are examples of how computers are used in the financial market and places dealing with money. ATM. ATM is known as automatic teller machine. When you make a withdraw from ATM, you are using a computer. Digital currency. When depositing money in a bank, it is stored as a digital record. A computer keeps track of how much money is in your account. Trading. Stock and commodities are trades using computer. In fact, today there are even thousands of computers using advanced algorithms that handles trading without needing humans. Register. If the business deal with selling goods to consumer, example grocery store, a cash register, which is a computer, is used to complete transaction. Workers' computer. Many business assign each employee a computer that allows them to produce work and solve problems for the company. Server. If the business uses computer and connect to the internet or handles email and files, a server is used to help manage everything. Communication. Today's communication around the world is almost all digital, handled by computers. Below are examples and how computers are used in the communication industry. Smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you have a computer in your pocket. Email. More electronic mail is sent today than postal mail, and computer handles all creation and distribution of that email. VoIP, that is all voice over IP communication, that is VoIP, is handled and done by computers. Computer assist speech. Those who are disabled or cannot speak can use a computer to help them communicate. For example, Stephen Hawking uses a computer to communicate it. Voice recognition. Any phone or another system that uses voice recognition is using a computer to translate what is heard into text or other data that can be understood by the computer. defense and military. Many technologies, example GPS and the internet, were initially created or started with a defense related purpose. Today, computers are still an important aspect to the defense industry. Encryption. Secure information, secure communication is a vital in the defense industry, and computers are used to encrypt communication that should remain a secret. GPS. Using computer with GPS allows the military to track people and equipment and is still used today. Computer aided flight. Many of today's jets and other aircraft require computers to fly and operate. Drones. A drone is either autonomous or remotely driven and uses computer to operate. Education. As computer evolve, so does how computers are used in education field. Below is a list of how a computer can be used in education. Internet. Connecting a student to the internet gives him or her access to an endless supply of knowledge. As mentioned later, the internet would not be possible without computer. Learning. Computer can also be used to help design and create a more visual learning experience for students. Using electronic whiteboards with computers can also benefit a student by giving them a more hands-on experience. Writing. Although reports can still be done using pen, pencil, or even a typewriter, a computer makes it much easier to write, format, save, share, and print reports. Keep records. Computers are used to track students' score, identify struggling students, and are used to create a final report. Testing. Computer can assist students and teachers with the testing process by stepping the student through a series of questions and keep tracking of the results. Medical. The medical field is another example where computers are vital and used every day. Below are some examples of how computers help those in medical field. Medical records. More and more medical records are being digitally stored, and storing these files digitally allow for quick access and transfer of medical information so doctor can know your history. Research. A lot of medical research that is done today in computer assisted. Without the assistance of computer, it would either not be possible or take so longer that it wouldn't be viable. Diagnosis. Computer can assist in the diagnosis of the patient, from gathering a patient's history and condition to comparing that information against a database of existing information. Surgery. Although most surgery is still done with humans, it is becoming more practical and accessible for computer robot assisted surgery. After being programmed, these robots can make surgery more accurate, faster, and less prone to human errors. Transportation. Computer also play an important part in transportation. Below are just a few examples of how computer help the transportation field. Cars. Mo- Most may not realize it, but all modern cars today have dozens of computers that help control and manage the vehicle. Traffic lights. The traffic lights that help control traffic are all run by computers. GPS. Cars that include a GPS mapping system have computers for display and calculating routes. Airplanes. The airplanes that help transport millions of people and goods every year are filled with computers that help control the plane. Public transportation. Trains, bus, subway and all form of public transportation are highly dependent on computers to manage traffic flow, monitor operation and handle payments. Self-driving car. Although relatively new, self-driving cars are becoming increasingly popular and rely on a computer to make all decisions on how to drive. Multimedia. Computer also play a significant role in video and audio. Below are examples of how computers are used in the film and audio industry. Editing. Once a movie, video, song, or audio track has been created, a computer can edit that media instead of having to manually make cuts to the film or audio track. CGI. Computer animation or CGI, that is computer generated imaginary, has become a norm in big budget films. Manipulation. Computers can be used to manipulate pictures, video, and audio. For example, someone could use Adobe Photoshop to add or remove element from an image. Recording and playback. Computer can also be used to assist in the recording of audio track and then selectively play back and each audio track. Creation. Computer can also be used to help in creating new multimedia content. For example, creating 3D animation, 3D model, or a techno audio track can be done on a computer. After creating a 3D model, a 3D printer could also be used to build a product. DVD, TV, media player. Today's smart TV, DVD player, etc. contain simple computing circuitry to connect to device to the internet. run apps, and many more. Simulations. Some problems are so complex that it would be impossible for human to calculate or would take too long to calculate. Computers are used to help solve these complex problems in a timely fashion. Weather prediction. Earth has an extremely complex weather system, and computers are used to gather all of the variables and create weather report. Product simulation. Before some product go into development, product simulate how they would work in the real world by creating a simulation. A company or government agency can make adjust before the product goes into a development.